Welcome back to the program. As Ukraine enters a fifth year of this brutal war inflicted by Russia's full-scale invasion, one thing we've learned: drones are changing modern warfare, and Ukraine has been front and center developing this new fighting technology. From my archive, a trip to a Ukrainian drone school. Here's that report from 2023.
Any support is welcome in Ukraine, especially if it appears blessed by Jesus, say these drone students, set up in an abandoned church, working on their simulators, and convinced their cause is just.
We do whatever we can now to resist, because Russians want to kill all of us. This is genocide.
Next door in the construct and repair class, Yulia solders and tweaks and teaches. This part is fairly simple and fun, she says.
And did you study engineering? What are you in normal life?
The writer and the film director.
You're a writer and a film director?
Yes.
And now you're a drone operator?
Yes.
We're not allowed to disclose the location where Yulia and the others put theory into practice.
Here in this innocuous-looking field, with a rudimentary obstacle course, this could almost be child's play, but with deadly results, of course. These are all civilian drones that the Ukrainians are repurposing for their current war effort. They can be bought off store shelves. But this signifies a turning point in the conduct of modern warfare.
A $500 drone that's been weaponized can take out vehicles and weapon systems worth millions. Software engineer Lyuba Shipovich started the Victory Drones initiative.
The most advantages, it's one of the most cost-effective weapon, and it's also a weapon, and it could be used as reconnaissance. For reconnaissance purposes, if you see the enemy, you can hit enemy, you can hide like your soldiers, so it's pretty...
But enemy can see you.
Yeah, if you don't use security measurements.
Like hiding or disguising their signals, because the Russians are adapting fast. She says they're mostly crowdfunded and have deals with the Ukrainian military to train frontline troops, tens of thousands so far, in what's become indispensable strategy. That was just practice, dropping a water bottle full of sand. But just a few days ago, the group says one of their former trainees took out this Russian tank on the Eastern Front. They can also wipe out artillery positions and troop carriers.
How long did it take you to learn to fly?
Many of these citizen soldiers are women, busting stubborn myths. And Yulia, of course, agrees. In fact, she assembles the drones. Her husband flies too.
And a lot of women have taken up this fight.
Yeah, we are real people, and we are fighting for our existence.
Christiana Manpour, CNN, Ukraine.
Whoa! That was 2.5 years ago, and so much progress on that technology has been made. Ukrainians are still in this brutal fight for their very existence.